When you see that, my viewers, at the video that when the police them arrest Lisa Hype at the Norman Manley International Airport, and Lisa Hype, you know, she say this thing you get from bad to worse. You know, she say you need to go take your medication them. So my people, who know, welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video, yeah? Subscribe to my channel if you no not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them, my people. Top Killa Neko getting Mvrda splash out of Spain town. Plus Dwight Miller, aka Glasses, wanted for a murder road. And me see a video with big woman versus young girl. So before me jump in at the reasoning, and me gonna know what I go on. Pre this. When you see them viewers, the ghetto will always be the ghetto. Big woman versus young girl. Big woman run go fi board. Young girl draw fi shovel. And when you hear the fans them a cheer on the fight. And if big woman dash where young girl, you know, or if young girl dirt big woman, you know, you go hear a different story a morning, you know. So when you see why me always say the ghetto will always be the ghetto. No little motivator, no little push. No little body down there for give you a little helping hand. Everybody wants see everybody dead off. You see, back in the days was the nicest ghetto. 60s, 70s, 80s. Nowadays ghetto are the worst ghetto. You don't notice what go on in a ghetto nowadays. Eh? Be a bad mind. Be a obia fling. Friend turn enemy. Can't go up the road if you live down the road. And if you're dead down the road, you can't go round the road. Cause 9 ball with flinging at your head. So see it here, where them a war over. Eh? Man, we no want none of them. Cause most of the youth them boy right now want foreigner, you know. The man them now look pan uni, you know. Unless a later night and them frost, you know. And them a look smart if you lock down with fi go on motion, you know. So see it here, my viewers. Big woman versus young girl. From Wappy Kill fill up and at the same motion a go on in a ghetto to the day, yeah. So no think no change there in a ghetto. No change no there in a ghetto. Now watch the little paint wanna see on wall and 2 new fence where them put up. At the same living. Remember that. So no walk with me and now. See me, wanted man, Keith Newman, aka Neko. We wanted for all long. And squaddy them a tell him if he turn in himself. And him never want turn in himself. Police them go bust out him head in a Spain town. And when you see Neko, not a innocent youth, you know. So me no know why Indy come a run in, you know. Indy come, want no purpose, boy. Eh? Cause we defend some man where a murderer, you know. And Neko murder the 2 youth them in up a Stony Hill, you know. So what you tell me say? Them youth the family, you know, deserve justice. And only Neko deserve justice. Murderer Neko. Where walk around boy and be a menace to society. Neko, we murdered 37-year-old Adrian Hines, aka Shappy, from up in a Stony Hill. People, in the come no make no sense, boy. And it's like somebody need to tell them that, say, brother, gunman are dead, boy. Residents are dead, boy. Innocent people are dead, boy. And we no sooner run out for them. But we not run out for some low life boy like Neko. We murder how much people. We did dep on wanted list for how long. Some viewers no walk with me now. See the next wanted man here. Dwight Miller, aka Glasses. We wanted for a murder. Him ends out a South Anderson Crescent. And from you look pan Dwight Miller. See it here? And this is it, you know. Most of the youth them, you know, the killer them a program them, you know. Dance and general, you know, use them, you know, until them get wanted. See it ya? I saw them face a go get fling up on JCF Wanted Wednesday, where them a search for them a road. Most of uno I go get lock up. Most of uno I go dead house. Cause I saw the thing set. You never know that. You never read the manual. When you not sign up for badness. And sister no love no in a badness. Friend turn enemy in a badness. No loyalty no in a this. One way in, one way out. You not feel lucky. If you go down a Horizon RGP. Cause dead house. I wait pan the wall of uno. So see me and my viewers. Glasses. Anyone no see my road. You don't know the code. So no walk with me and now. Lisa Hype. Lisa Hype. Me show on a video where Lisa Hype get arrested at the airport. When you see that, my viewers, at the video that where Lisa Hype get arrested at the Norman Manley airport. After them say Lisa Hype go in a airport, but she want book flight and she dey buy a plane ticket. People, this thing you get from bad to worse, you know, and it now go end well for Lisa Hype, you know. So Lisa Hype, you see if I hack ya hack, cut it right now. Remember that, cause people out there are try to help you. You say you're not mad, you say you're not mental, then what then? Obia, what make Lisa Hype behave like this? She behave like this because she says she a trend, or this is normal? What this me I tell you no more people? But as I say, this thing you not go end well. Cartel not go look pan you. Dexadaps not go look pan you. So if I'm mad, you're mad out, you better go Bellevue right now, go take that joke there. So see them viewers. Lisa Hype get arrested at the airport. What next? What next? Couple days to come, I go hear about something else, you know. You could have hear say Lisa Hype walking at the Migla halfway tree naked. Remember me did tell you that. So I don't know if I obia. I don't know if she mental for true. I don't know a Wally car chip. Cartel she mad over. Or a Dexadap she mad over. What is the reason? And people out there try to help you. And you don't want to help. So you're willing to go down the drain. You're willing to give away your 3 pints. Over what? Fame? Hype? Cartel? Dextadaps? Some of viewers, tell me what you think with this. Because I'm going to take away myself, you know. Until next time. You see me.